Hello and welcome to another episode of CUET Current Affairs. Let's begin. Who was honored with the National Tansen Samman for 2023? Pandit Ravi Shankar, Pandit Swapan Chaudhary, Ustad Zakir Hussain or Pandit Birju Maharaj? The correct answer is option B, Pandit Swapan Chaudhary. Pandit Swapan Chaudhary, a renowned tabla player from Kolkata, was honored with the National Tansen Samman for 2023. Next, where was the joint exercise between the Vietnam Coast Guard and the Indian Coast Guard conducted? Chennai, Kochi, Mumbai or Goa? The correct answer is option B, Kochi. The joint sea exercise between the Vietnam Coast Guard and the Indian Coast Guard named Sahyog Hop Tech was conducted off the coast of Kochi, strengthening maritime cooperation between the two coast guards. Next, what is India's rank in the Travel and Tourism Development Index 2024? 39th, 38th, 40th or 41st? The correct answer is option A, 39th. India is ranked 39th among 119 countries in the TTDI 2024, improving from its previous rank of 54th in 2021. Next, which state had the second largest increase in forest and tree cover after Chhattisgarh? Odisha, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan or Madhya Pradesh? The correct answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh recorded the second largest increase in forest cover with a growth of 559 square kilometers. Next question, which company collaborated with the Central Road Research Institute for the Bio-Bitumen Road project? Praj Industries, L&T Construction, Shapoorji Pallonji or Tata Projects? The correct answer is option A, Praj Industries. The road construction project was a joint collaboration between CRRI and Pune-based biotech firm Praj Industries. Next, what is the projected value of India's tourism sector in the next 10 years? 256 billion US dollars, 523 billion US dollars, 500 billion US dollars or 300 billion US dollars? The correct answer is option B, 523 billion US dollars. The tourism sector in India is expected to double in size and reach 523 billion US dollars in the next 10 years. Next, what is the local name for the mysterious illness in Uganda? Dancing fever, Dinga Dinga, shaking disease, Bundibugyo fever? The correct answer is option B, Dinga Dinga. The illness affecting people in Uganda's Bundibugyo district is locally called Dinga Dinga, meaning shaking like dancing. Next, who appoints the chairperson of the National Human Rights Commission? Chief Justice of India, Prime Minister, President of India or Home Minister? The correct answer is option C, President of India. The President of India appoints the NHRC chairperson based on the recommendation of a high-powered committee. Next, who has been appointed as the chairperson of the United Nations Internal Justice Council? Madan B. Lokur, Rosali Balkin, Carmen Artigas, Stephen Brezina? The correct answer is option A, Madan B. Lokur. Retired Supreme Court Judge Madan B. Lokur has been appointed as the chairperson of the United Nations Internal Justice Council. Next, Shyam Benegal is widely regarded as a pioneer of which movement in Indian cinema? Parallel cinema, New Wave, Bollywood cinema or art cinema? The correct answer is option B, New Wave. Shyam Benegal is considered a pioneer of the New Wave movement in Indian cinema, focusing on socially relevant and realistic themes. Now it's time for the practice question. What is the theme for the Republic Day 2025 tableau? Incredible India, Unity in Diversity, Swarnim Bharat, Virasat or Vikas, India Rising, Heritage and Innovation, India's Cultural Journey? Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.